This is our puppy Bear. She gets very excited when she goes places. Like certain words.
You go for a walk?
What do you want, Bear? Where do you want to go?
I go for a walk.
Walkie? Bear want to go walk? Walkie? Okay, hold on. Tell Daddy. Tell Daddy, Bear. What do you want, Bear? Walkie?
Walkie? Walkie?
Daddy, go get the leash. Hey, Walkie! Bear gonna go bye-bye? You gonna go bye-bye? Bye-bye with Daddy? Yay! What's Daddy got? What's he got? Bear, go bye-bye?
Here, you hold that like it. Go.
Tell him, Bear. Say, Bear, take me bye-bye. Say, take me bye-bye, Daddy. Say, take me.
Let's go for a walk. Come on.
Walkie? Oh, good girl.